So you've probably seen these types of videos at some point on YouTube, Instagram, or maybe even TikTok, the ones that look super satisfying to watch. And these kinds of videos get millions of views. Like, look at this channel. They're pulling millions on every single video. But what if I also start making these videos and upload them on a brand new channel, just to see if I can also get those kinds of views or not? My goal is simple: to get at least 1 million views on a single video within 7 days. Sounds easy when I say it, but in reality, it's not gonna be that simple. That's why I've made a plan. And with this plan, we're gonna make these types of videos. Look, first of all, we'll buy some bottles. After that, we'll go to a location where we can smash these bottles properly. The third step is to record those videos nicely. Then I have to edit them properly. And finally, I'll upload these videos on YouTube Shorts. Simple. But there is a problem. I literally don't have that much money to spend. Honestly, I'm broke. So I just have to change my plan a little bit. So what we are gonna do, we are going to upload already made videos on YouTube. And to do that, we have to download the videos from a different app called Kuaishou. If you don't know, it's a Chinese app which is banned, by the way, so I just have to use a VPN to use this app. So in this app, you can watch these types of Chinese videos, same as YouTube Shorts. So I am going to search for bottle smashing videos, and after that I am going to download all the videos. But I am also going to check and make sure these videos are not already uploaded on YouTube, because if these videos are already uploaded on YouTube, then YouTube may delete my channel, or maybe not even monetize it when I apply for monetization. So yeah, that's my shortcut plan. I mean, I am not going to spend money, time, or anything else. I am just going to download all the videos and boom. So after a few hours of scrolling, I finally got 7 masterpiece videos, and I already edited those videos. I mean, I downloaded them, you know what I'm trying to say. So now it's time to upload them on a brand new channel, and let's see what YouTube is going to do. So first, let's make a channel. If you don't know how to create a YouTube channel, then head over to YouTube, click your profile picture, then click on switch account, then view channel, and after that click create a new channel. Then you have to choose a name for your channel. If you don't have a channel name, then you can use ChatGPT for that. So open ChatGPT and just describe your channel niche and ask it to generate a list of name suggestions. For example, this time I'm doing a psychological niche and I said I need 1-word channel name. Now ChatGPT gave me a list of names and I picked one that fit perfectly. Like, this one sound cool. So I just copied that name and pasted it into the channel name box and created the channel. Now the channel is ready, but it doesn't look professional yet. So to make it look professional, we are going to make a channel logo and banner. For that, we are going to use Canva. So go on Canva, click on search, and type YouTube profile. Then you will get these templates. You can use them, or if you want to create your own banner, then you can show your art like I am doing. After a few hours, I made this piece of art which looks cool. Now I will just download it and upload it into my channel profile picture. Now let's make our channel banner. It's the big horizontal image you see when you click on someone else's channel. Canva also has channel banner templates, so just search this and make your banner. I am keeping everything simple because no one is going to subscribe to your channel by just looking at your banner. Now download it and upload it into your banner section. Once you've done this, publish your channel. Now our channel is ready to upload the videos. But before that, if you guys want to know how I find the most unique niches on YouTube, then I found a very interesting tool for you guys where you can search and find some of the best and unique new niches for yourself. It's called Nextlive. It's basically a tool which helps you to find unique niches which have lower competition and higher chances of going viral. And if you make a channel on that niche, then chances are your channel will blow up very fast. Let me show you how you can use this tool. This right here is Nextliv's dashboard, and if you scroll down a bit, you'll find a section called Viral Videos on Small Channels. This feature is a total game changer. Nextlive basically tracks small YouTube channels whose videos are getting crazy views compared to their subscriber count. For example, this video right here was uploaded just 8 days ago. When I click on it, you can see the channel only has around 4,000 subscribers, but the video has blown up. This means there's high potential and low competition in that niche. So if you start a channel in this space right now, there's a solid chance your videos can go viral too. If you don't vibe with this niche, just hit the random button and Nextlive will show you more trending niches instantly. To access this feature, you'll need one of their subscription plans. I'd recommend going for the yearly plan so you can explore unlimited niches without any limits and build your dream channel with full freedom. I've used this one for a long time and it's actually really good. So if you want to save some time, you can definitely go for it. I also contacted the developer to make it a little cheaper for you guys because I know many of you are just starting out. So this will be really helpful for you. Use one of these coupon codes to get 20% off. Now back to the video. Now some of you are going to say,
Bro, you're copying someone else's content. It's illegal, and your channel is gonna get deleted.
I know that, but at the end of this video, you guys will know why I am doing this. So on day 1, I uploaded the video, and surprisingly, I got 3.5 thousand views. That's a great start for a brand new channel. After this, I uploaded the second video, and that video got 17,000 views, which is absolutely amazing. I was literally shocked when I saw these numbers, but the real shock came when I uploaded my next video and got a copyright strike. And honestly, I already knew this would happen, and I was ready for it. Because look, I'm copying someone else's content, so of course YouTube will interfere. It's illegal to copy someone else's videos. If we keep doing this, our channel won't get monetized and we'll definitely face copyright strike problems. So I changed my plan a little bit and added one more thing, and that is the AI voiceover. Now when I upload videos, at the start I add an AI voice that says something related to the video. For example, which bottle do you think will break first? Or guess which bottle wins? When you do this, YouTube won't hit you with a copyright strike or reuse content problem, because now we're actually adding value to the content. And remember, these are Chinese videos that aren't even available on YouTube. The only reason I got a strike earlier was because that exact video was already uploaded on someone else's channel. So you have to make sure you're not copying content that's already on YouTube. After that, I uploaded my third video and again got 17,000 views, but this time, no problems at all. Then I uploaded the next video and it blew up a little bit, and honestly, that's amazing for a new channel. I mean, I'm just copying content and changing it a little bit and still getting this kind of reach. After that, I uploaded another video which got 25,000 views, and then the last video on my channel which performed average, and with that, my challenge was over. I ended with 200 plus subscribers and 100,000 plus views. Not bad at all, considering we're just copying and tweaking content. And here's the interesting part. This channel right now has 50,000 subscribers and it's monetized. I'm already working on my next video where I'll show you exactly how I did all of this. So wait for that one. I made this video just to show you guys there's also a way to make money on YouTube without doing anything. You don't have to work that much long just for make money on YouTube. And if you still don't believe me, then click on this video where I already showed how you can copy paste someone else's content and make money. Also, make sure to check out the AI tool I mentioned, like NextLev, to find the best and most unique niches for yourself. See ya.